Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove category on Instagram. So this will be for the Instagram app for your Android, iPhone, iOS devices, and the same type of process on your computer as well. So first of all, you're going to want to go to your Instagram profile, then get to this page right here. You will see the category underneath your name. For me it says video creator. I'm going to remove that, and how I'm going to do that is first click edit profile. Then I'm going to want to scroll down, and then you'll see profile display. For me it says contact hidden next to it. You're going to want to click on that. Then it will say at the top here display category label. That will be like blue or like turned on for you. You're going to want to click on that to turn it off, so make it black there. And then you want to click done in the top right hand corner, and then click done on the edit profile thing again. And then you will see the category underneath my name has gone, and that's going to be the process over with. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Instagram app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.